So guys, welcome back to a video, and today we're going to talk about the market analysis of 3rd May. I've picked 3 stocks. On one stock we're going to go short, and rest 2 stocks we're going to go on normal biased attitude. We'll go both short and long. Let's see how the markets uh, are for us. So right now we'll just start with the first stock, that is United Spirits. We'll just read out the buying selling points. So we're gonna go short on this stock if it comes at 517, and the first target will be 510, that is 7 rupees target, and second target is 503, so 14 rupees, and the stop loss is of 6 rupees, and that is 523 rupees as a stop loss. So above, like if you also hit 510, we'll get 1.2 is to 1 ratio, somewhere around that. So yeah, this is the buying side on this short side on this stock. If we go to a bigger time frame, I'll show you why we are going to buy. I remove this drawings. So first and main factor, that is, if you guys can see it, like it was on EMA. Okay, it was on EMA, a 9 EMA. I'm choosing 9 EMA right now. Okay, so as you can see, so it just broke 9 EMA, and now it has came to a downfall. But the main factor is not about EMA. The main factor is about this point. If you guys see this point, so it is a resistance for, it is a support for many times. Like if you see over this whole period with this, and if we go back, same thing has happened over here. If you guys can see, it went up, took a support, again back, went down, again support, again back, went down, again support. So this is how it is working as a strong support for now. So if it goes below that, the same thing, candle closes below that on 15-minute time frame, will have a good buying opportunity over there. And our stop loss, our targets are around 610, that will be somewhere in these levels. And also the second targets are having these supports, the longer one supports, like day chart supports. And if we go to shorter time frame, so yeah, and our first target will be this, that is also a support over here. So yeah, all the targets are in supports only, so no resistances and all that. So good buying opportunity, a good shorting opportunity over here. Let's see how the markets are. Let the first candle, or whichever candle it is gonna enter your analysis, close below this. Okay, at least like this is the entry point, I know that, but we got to enter around 15, 60, 70, somewhere over here. Trying entering over here is a good point. So let's see how the things are. So I'll repeat the points. We're gonna sell this at 517. Our first target will be 510, and second target will be 503, and our stop loss is gonna be 523. So yeah, this is our stop loss, this is our buy point, this is our target 1, target 2, and the quantity we're gonna trade with is 29. So 29 multiplied by 6 is around 174, somewhere around that. So a good trade, we can extend our stop loss till 524, somewhere around like that. So let's see how how things go. Moving on to the next stock, that is Wipro. So in this we are gonna go on a normal bias situation. We can go short, plus we can go long. Coming on to the normal analysis, what I think is, if you guys can see, this was a read. Like let me first read out the buying and selling points. So on short side, we're gonna short at 490. If the candle comes at 490, our first target is going to be 483, and our stop loss is going to be at 496. Okay, so I'll tell you what has happened in this stock. So this, around this one was the point. Okay, so if you guys can see, okay, I'll make a rectangle over this so that's more visible. So this was the point where it had to give a breakout. The reason is it came up, it touched, it tried to break these points, but it was not able to, and again came back, again tried, again came back, gave a good opportunity gave a good breakout till here, till like this breakout was too high. Okay, but again got trapped into a selling, and this is where it is right now. So that is what in Wipro. So my analysis says, see the simple thinking. At the moment it is gonna come at 490, it will again take a resistance from this line, these levels, and we can easily get targets around these points or somewhere around these. Let's see how the targets are now. Yeah, we are on a day time frame, and these targets are gonna hit in 3 days, but that's not the C. The if you guys see, the volatility in Wipro is too high right now. So see, it went up till this levels 512, 512 around. Then a huge selling has been happened. So I pretend to, like, I am into consideration that more selling will come as Wipro is into selling mode right now. Will not look into the news for this. Uh, so yeah, see, this is the rectangle breakout, and here we are gonna enter the trade. This is our first target, that is this is our target 483. That is also a support for back parts, and our resistance is at 496. So resistance will be sorry, our stop loss is at 496, so 6 rupees stop loss, and our target is of 7 rupees. So again 1.2 is to 1 1 ratio, around somewhere over there. If we go to the selling buying side, same analysis on the day chart. Let's say the analysis goes in the other direction. Okay, so we'll see, if we see this rectangle like is ending at 492.90. So obviously whenever the stock is going to go at 493, when the stock is closing at 493, it is going to be having a good uptrend move. As you can see on the daily chart frame, there was a good buying point. Okay, then a profit booking came in. So if we go for the same things, in buying side, we will have an entry at 493. The target is going to be 500, and our stop loss is going to be 487. The stop loss is around six rupees. Same stop loss, whatever we had in short selling, and target is 7 rupees. Same target. Just a point that I felt like we are going to short sell and we are going to buy over here. So this is how things are, and this is the analysis. If you guys can see, simple, this one, this rejection. So if it goes down, it will go hit on target, and same in day time frame. If it like wait, if it goes up in this direction, we'll hit our target. So we'll see how the markets are reacting. We have a flexibility of 3 points. That is a good flexibility for deciding, are we gonna short or are we gonna buy, are we gonna go long. So let's see how things are. So I'll repeat the buy points and sell points. So if we're gonna sell Wipro at 490, our first target is gonna be 483. Our stop loss is going to be 496. The total stop loss is 6 rupees, and the quantity is going to be 31. Same for buying. Our entry is going to be at 493. We're going to go long. Target is at 500 rupees. Stop loss is going to be 487. Again 6 rupees stop loss. Quantity is 31. So this is clear for Wipro. Coming on to the Bharat Fog. Bharat Fog will also have both bias situations. So I want to explain this on a longer time frame. So again, if we go to day time frame and spread it a bit, you can simply see it is running and following a trend. See this one. And so here's one thing. Okay, if you see a normal short selling side, you see it came, touched this, again fall back, again came, again touched, fall back, and again touched the resistance trend line, again gave a fall, again touched the resistance trend line, again fall. This time it's again touching it, and the candle closing has been below it. Okay, if the candle closing was around 620, around somewhere over here, would have went long on this stock, as we could have get easy targets of 630, 650, whatever the targets could be. Okay, but right now I am more into short selling on this stock, because we can see this one pattern, this one. Okay, this is the pattern which I am looking for. So the points we are gonna sell this stock at are we're gonna sell this at 609, we're gonna short it at 609. Our first target is 601 and our stop loss is at 617. So our stop loss is going to be of total 8 rupees and our target is also of around 8 rupees. So works both way, 1:1 ratio, or not going more than that because stock is not going to move more than that. I guess we'll slowly trail the stop loss till 414 or 413 somewhere over here once we go till 3 rupees profits. But let's see, on the short side I'm more into the short side, but still as I said, markets are not gonna go move in our favor. We need to have neutral buy so that we can go both sides. So on buying side, we're gonna buy these stock at 612. Our first target is 620 and our stop loss is 604. Now simple things. Why we're gonna buy at 6012? You guys can see there was a support, there was a resistance over here. This one, okay, a double top, and over here also it tried, but then it gave a breakout. Again the same thing over here on a targets, a double drop, so it can give a third sign, like third touch to it if it goes long. So we'll wait till 612. If 612 comes, like the market runs from lower to this, okay, then we're gonna buy. And if market comes like this way from upside, like market opens somewhere over here or market opens somewhere over here and it goes like this way, we're gonna short it. Okay, we don't have to like, okay, let's say like market opens somewhere over here, like 614, then it comes down, again goes up. Are we gonna buy here? No, our targets are not even buying is gonna go that in our favor, not even selling is gonna go in our favor, because if market opens at 614, 615 levels, from that a fall at 601 is a big fall, which is possibly not gonna happen. So my take will be, let the markets open between 611 to 609.5, like between these levels. If it opens between these levels, so market will not be even like 0.1% up or down, we can get easily these targets are not that big if I count. So 1.3%, and if we count from our points, it is going to be 1.5% targets on both sides. So for Bharat Fog, the same reason I mentioned again, it is running in a trend line, it is respecting a trend line. Now the thing is it gonna go and try one more candle over here? Like, is it gonna make a one more candle, or it is gonna give a direct relation over here? So that's depend on the moment of market. So yeah, these are the analysis for United Spirits, Wipro, sell analysis, buy analysis, Bharat Fog. It's simple, buy and sell. My first trade could be in Bharat Fog on selling side. The reason is it has more reasons than other stocks. Okay, moreover side on selling side, not even buying side. Buying side, I'll move when the stocks open around 410, 411, and then it moves till 412. Then I'll go buying side and then I'll move this to forward. Okay, that is how I am going to trade on these stocks. Then my choice will be Wipro. On selling side, again, I am more into selling tomorrow. The reasons are market are not that good. Let's see how markets go. We can go long on Wipro more or short. Let's see. I'm neutral on Wipro. There's no selling, there's no buying, because see, we can easily see these patterns, these ones, and we can see these patterns too. So can't say what the patterns could be, and let's see how tomorrow markets are. Then the last stock we're gonna trade in is United Spirits. We're gonna decide on which stock we get the first entry. Whichever stock we are gonna get the first entry, we are gonna trade in that. So that's it for the video, and we are gonna trade this on 3rd May. So I hope it helps, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section or ask me in the DMs. Make sure to join the Discord server in the links, and yeah, bye.